What is up, guys? Chris back at it again with another vlog. What is up, guys? I'm just gonna be working on lowering my G finally. Hold on, it's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean you guys up real quick. Actually gonna be lowering my G finally. I've always wanted to lower this car since I've gotten it. Finally put some wheels on it. So now we're just gonna be lowering it. I have lowering springs. They're Tein S-Tech springs. So I bought them from this guy online, and he had already put them on his car. So he basically just took off the whole strut with the springs. So I don't really have to do any extra work with that. You know, taking off my stock springs, so other than the rears, but you guys will see that in a second. But anyway, let's jump into this video, and I hope you guys really like my content that's coming out. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button before anything, and I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not too sure exactly what I'm gonna be doing that with. I don't know what I'm gonna be giving away. I will be giving away something cool, pretty awesome, I hope. So we're actually here at Herman's house, and haven't been over here in like forever. It's been like, what, another 3 months or something?
Yeah, at least.
It's been like 3 months. And I
gotta get the sponsorship, bro.
Rockstar, bro. Rockstar. I actually have a NOS right now, but
dude, I just have
shit. Yeah,
NOS, I just have NOS floor mats.
I'm gonna swap out all my fluid containers with Monster cans.
Rockstar cans.
Oh, Rockstar cans. You know, gotta get that sponsorship with Rockstar. Anyway, we're gonna get into the video right now. And first, we're gonna be taking off. I think we're gonna do the front, right? First.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the front first, and I'm gonna show you exactly how that goes. I'm just gonna go step by step, basically. So these are the springs. So those, see those are the rear, right?
These are the rears?
Yeah, the rear struts. I don't even know if we need to really take out mine, right?
No, you can just leave them in there.
Just put the springs. I'll just have spares.
These will just, are these the front? No, these are the rears.
Yeah, those are rears.
These will just sit on the back of that little
like
cup. The only thing with these is like, he sent them to you like this?
Yeah.
They should just go back in then.
Yeah.
If they're still like aligned properly, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because that's like the only thing that like sucks is like you put it up there and like the holes go right, but this is like it's supposed to be this way.
Fuck. All right, so obviously one side is equal to the other side, so I'm only gonna be showing you one side of the process just to make this video shorter. I don't want to make it any longer, any more boring for you guys, but I'm gonna show you exactly where we're taking off some bolts and where we're taking off bolts for the strut and everything like that. These are strut tower bolts right here, obviously. If you guys have seen any other coilover videos or anything like that, you want to take off all 3 of these bolts so it allows the strut to come down.
Alright, so all we need to do is take off this bolt, and then the arm will fall down, and the brake lines, the ABS lines or whatever.
The bottom over here, huh?
Yeah, for the fork.
For the fork? Mm-hmm. I think all you said was you need to take off this bolt for the fork, brake lines, and the fork should fall. And then we also have just this bolt down there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll show you guys eventually. And other than that, it's pretty straightforward.
Little ABS lines off, and then unbolt the brake lines, and then unbolt the bottom, and then unbolt the top, and then it should fall out. Should fall out.
Those ones on the bottom?
Yeah, these. Well,
oh, unbolt the brake lines. Okay.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying.
Should fall out. Can only hope.
All right.
Did you get it back in?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Well, no. Well, I need you to push down there.
Okay.
One more time.
Fuck.
There. Fuck yeah. Woo! Fuck. That was a little bit of a bitch, but
Owned.
you need to have
Owned. Bitch.
So basically what you want to do is you want to push down on this arm to allow the strut to go back into the tower. This last bolt right here, this bolt right here is a little bit of But it's a little difficult. Other than that, it's pretty much in. You just need to put back the bolts. Okay, so we got the front done. We're about to drop it. And let's see how low this goes. Fuck, dude.
Oh my God, Chris.
That's pretty low. So before I had about a 3-finger gap. And now I think I have about a 2, right? A 2-finger? About a 2-finger gap.
Yeah, it's about, dude. Yeah, it's about a finger and a half, maybe 2 fingers.
It still looks fucking good though, dude.
Get a muffler delete, Chris.
Yeah, no, dude.
So you could just lift it up by the diff?
Yeah,
Like that?
you can lift it up by the diff. That's what I do with mine. All you gotta do is drop this bolt right here.
Alright, go for it.
All you gotta do is drop this bolt right here, and then this arm will fall down, and you can just take out the spring.
Just picked it off, huh?
Yeah. Hadouken!
So, when he sent me over the springs and struts, he also gave me rear struts. And they're KYBs, so we're going ahead and, sorry for my hair if my hair looks all fucked up. But we're going ahead and we're changing out the struts as well. If you just get springs, you wouldn't have to do that. You would just have to change out the springs within that little, where it sits. You wouldn't have to change out the whole strut. But since he gave me new struts, I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. I'm taking them off right now. They're pretty straightforward. 2 bolts on the top. You just unscrew with, I think they're 12 millimeters. And then we also have 2 bolts down here that are, what are those, 17s?
Which ones?
Those ones that sit on the strut?
Yeah,
Yeah, so they're both 17s on the bottom, and then on the top it's a 12s. So in order to do that, we're just taking them off, and then we're gonna push it down again, and then hopefully it'll release, and we'll be able to take them out. Taking them off right now. They're pretty straightforward. 2 bolts on the top. You just unscrew with, I think they're 12 millimeters. And then we also have 2 bolts down here that are, what are those, 17s? Yeah, so they're both 17s on the bottom, and then on the top it's a 12s. Look at how small this praying mantis is. I can't even focus on it.
Wash your hands.
There it is, like, oh, look how tiny that thing is. So what happened was one of our bolts,
Herman fucked up.
one of our bolts got stripped when we were putting back in for the strut. So we're gonna go to Big R or Tractor Supply to get a new bolt and also some rethreaders for my new struts. Out of this beast. Ugh.
Like the ground's like right there.
Fucking Herman have to always fucking air out and shit.
Back up.
Round 2. Let's put a fucking green bolt in there. Need to get a rethreader. This place is pretty sick. Never been here before. It's my first time.
I don't know.
See my plane? So stop 1, we got the bolts. We actually need to get a rethreader. They didn't have the right size. So we're gonna go to AutoZone. Hopefully AutoZone will have the rethreader. And then if not, Home Depot. Alright, so what we ended up having to do was actually going with a bigger size of bolt because they didn't have a tap and drill set for a 12 by 1.25 millimeter bolt. So we ended up going with a 1/2 inch by 13 thread, whatever. We're just gonna I don't know what exactly it is. Let's see. So it's a 1/2 inch by 13. So that's basically what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to re-drill it out and then re-thread it like that. All right, so we put on the rears. We use the jack to jack up to match the bolts to the arms, and we're gonna lower it right now. So we're gonna see. So what we ended up having to do is we just ended up pretty much stripping that bolt all the way till it's no return. So when I take out, I'm gonna have to get new struts for the rear, and then end up just getting new bolts for those as well, and then just taking these out and then putting those in. So it shouldn't be too much of an issue, especially with now I know what to do. But we're gonna lower it right now. So let's see how this baby looks.
Ready, Chris?
Yeah, let's do this. Oh shit. Yeah, it's lower. Look, yeah. It was definitely like at a 3, but now it's like at a 2. So it's a little bit less of a gap. For sure.
Once you ride on it too, it'll
yeah.
probably drop a little bit.
So that's definitely not gonna rub. At least it shouldn't rub on this side. If I went lower, it might rub on the inside of the wheel well, but right now it's a little less than a 3-finger gap right now.
Oh damn, dude!
It does look better, huh?
It does look better.
It looks like it's sitting better, huh?
Yeah, your girl's got some ass, dude. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, it does look like it's sitting better, but it does look better.
Just fucking send it, bro. Send it.
Pretty happy with it. Stay tuned for a S-Tech spring review, and I'll do a little review video of the springs after like a week maybe driving it, to work and stuff. But yeah, thanks guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe.
Learn what not to do.
Yeah, learn what not to do. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, or 1,000 subscribers by 2018. Hopefully I'll get more by the end of that. But please like and subscribe, like I said, and comment down below what you guys want to do to your G35 or your car. If you want to put Tein S-Tech springs on your car. I was lucky enough to buy these used for a little cheaper price, but it's something that I really wanted to do. I wanted to lower my car a little bit more, and this was a cheaper option for me. So yeah guys, really appreciate it, and peace out.